About last time, take a quick look into introduction to geometry hair system and particle hair system. This lesson is about reference, studying and analyzing reference, and we mostly will look into hairline, direction of hair growth, and part of scalp. So the important thing to take into consideration whenever you're doing anything, you need to have reference, as we need to start real life reference. We need to study how the hair flow, how the hair behave in different characters. So if I load the first reference, this is one about hair flow. So the first thing we'll start about hairline. Hairline, starting point of hair on top of the head. So it mostly start this area and end on our neck somewhere here. It depends. Every person has different hairline, but there is a common hairline for female and male. This is hairline for male, but for female hairline tend to be smooth. It's not sharp as male. So this is hairline for female. Let me enable grease pencil here. Select this one. Go to draw. You see, this is hairline for male. Male hairline is very sharp on corners, while female hairline, you see how smooth it is on corners. For female, this corner. For female hairline, they have smooth corners, while male hairline, they have sharp. The corners are sharp, like this. So this is about hairline for female and male characters, and you can see here the reference. This is hairline. Another part we said about hair flow. So the hair flow or direction of hair growth, as you can see our character, hair flow, the hair flow from top back side of our head to the front of forehead. You can see the direction. This is the direction of hair growth, a hair flow. Let me use, this is the direction. This is how hair flow. And if we take another look, you see the hair flow from back top of our head to the forehead. And if we take another example here, it has a circle here and the hair flow like this. You see, this is how the hair flow. The hair does not have a random flow. It has a certain pattern that is follow. So from here, from back top, the hair flow to the forehead, while from here, from top back, the hair flow downward to the neck, and from top to the left ear, the hair flow toward the left ear, while from top the right ear, the hair flow toward the right ear. You can see this is what we call hair flow. And if we take another quick, you can see this is the back side. This is how hair flow. You can see. And we have few hairs that flow from neck toward the head, back head. And if another part is for baby hair, you can see how this circle, the hair flow, how beautiful it is. The hair flow, they follow a certain pattern. So this is the baby hair. And the last one, we have this, have hairline here on the top. This is the circle. You can see the hair flow from back top toward forehead, and from back top toward neck, and from top toward left or right ear. So this is how the hair flow. When you are combing your hair, these are the factors to take into consideration how you direct your comb, your brush of different hair. And another thing to test how the hair flow on your head. If you full cut your hair, you can try to lap your head, and if you lap your head from forward to the back of your head, you will experience some resistance. But when you lap your head from back to the forehead, you won't experience the resistance. So this is how flow the hair flow from back to the forehead. And when you lap your hair from neck to the top of your back head, you will experience resistance. But when you lap your hair from top back downward to the neck, you want to experience a resistance, the same as to the left and right ear. So this is how the hair flow. And if I enable here hair flow or growth direction of hair growth, this is how it is. This is what has been explaining. And after that, we see that after having this flow, so we define that our scalp has 4 sides. The important one are the 4 sides, but it has 5 sides. So if we enable our sides, we have front to top. This is our first side. You can see how the hair flow to this direction. Then we have our right scalp part. This is the part where hair flow from top toward the right ear. Then we have another part which is left scalp part. This part where the hair flow from top toward the left ear. Then we have back part. This is the back part where the hair flow from back top toward the neck. And lastly, we have pulls or intersection part. This is, I can say, this is a source where the hair start to grow, the intersection part. This is the part where the left and right and top part intersect, this part. And you can see this part is like this. So the importance of analyzing your reference on direction of hair flow is that when we are combing the hair, we must comb the hair toward the right direction of the hair and not otherwise. So this was all about direction of hair growth. So see you in the next lesson.